Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making a Paw Patrol birthday cake for a 3-year-old girl. This was an order that came pretty last minute, but we still got it done for the customer and she loved it. These are the tools and ingredients we are using for today's Paw Patrol cake for a 3-year-old. So we'll be using our Paw Patrol characters here. We also have some sticks for support. We have our fondant mat with the rod and then the cutouts including the alphabet and numbers in caps and small letters. We'll also be using our scrapers, the offset spatulas here, our round cookie cutters. This is our cake board with the complete set, our turntable, a spare bowl, measuring cup, and then some solution tape, tissue, the cake scraper. We also use some toothpick, a piping bag. Then we move on to our gel food colors including blue and then red. We also use our instant whipped cream, which we'll make into our staple whipped cream frosting. The recipe is linked below, you can check out. We also use our ermine buttercream frosting, the newest video regarding frostings or creams on the channel, you can check out. We also use our easy vanilla cake layers and then our red velvet cake layer. All these cakes are linked in the description box below. These are all 8-inch cakes and we are doing a 4-layer cake. We also use our raw sugar, milk and vanilla syrup here, and then our homemade fondant, which we'll cut with our alphabet cutters here. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. We are going to work on the cake layers by removing them from the Ziploc bag. Now I will unwrap them from the clay film coverings. Then I'll trim off the tops. Now we are going to transform them from these to these. More just on how I made this, you can check out 2 recipes on the channel, which is my pink roses birthday cake and the 60th standing birthday cake I made for a client's husband. I made those cake designs using this format, so you can check it out there. We are going to assemble our cake. So I'll clean the board and then we'll start smearing our frosting on it. Then as usual, we place down our first cake layer, add the syrup, frosting, smoothing it out, we replace with the next cake layer till we reach the 4th cake layer. So this is how the cake looks like. I'm going to crumb coat it with smoothing the frosting on top, and then we'll cut or trim the excesses on the edges to help us obtain a straight cake on all sides. So this is how it looks like after crumb coating. I'm going to place it in the fridge for 30 minutes and then work on it with our whipped cream. Now I'm going to remove the Paw Patrol characters and then add the piece that can be used to stick, which is the glue, and our straws. So these are all the characters. Now we are going to set it aside and then work on our fondant. And these are the fondant cutouts, which inscribes the name and age of the birthday girl. These are the whipped cream frostings we are working with. I just picked the cake out of the fridge, and this is how it looks like. Before we continue today's episode, I want to ask, have you subscribed yet? Have you joined the Loves community yet? If not, please tap on the subscribe button so that you get notifications from us every single day on the channel about amazing recipes and wholesome content you are going to love. Click on the subscribe button and I promise you are going to enjoy that click. I'm going to cover it with our whipped cream frosting from the top all the way down. So this is how it looks like. Since we are working with 3 frostings, I'm going to use just one on halfway down the cake. I have a bowl of water here, which I'll dip it in and then wash it off anytime I do the smoothing with both the offset spatula and our cake scraper. So I'll do that, clean with some tissue, and then move on to smoothing it. Now smoothing the sides. So this is how the cake looks like. Now I'm going to add our red whipped cream frosting into our piping bag. Now we are going to pipe. I'll slightly smoothen it with the offset spatula before we use the cake scraper on it. So this is how it looks like. Now we are going to add the blue. And this is how it looks like. Now we are going to add the cutouts of the fondant, and then we also add our cartoon toppers. Then we add the cartoon characters. Now I'm going to package the cake as we do per usual with the transparent box covering, the lid, and then our gold ribbon. So I'll start with the transparent box covering. I'll do this slowly to ensure that it doesn't touch the cake in any way to destroy it. Then I'll add the lid of the box and finally tie in the look with the gold ribbon. And this is how it looks like after the ribbon was added. So the birthday girl's mom came to pick up the cake. With this cake I didn't do delivery, and I didn't take any shots of the birthday girl's mom for privacy reasons. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.